I'm not just one-dimensional. I can go inside and out and create for my team. I can be a leader, positive leader, lead by example. Most importantly, compete. I like to compete and win, and just go hard every single day. I put a lot of work into the game, and it's kind of hard to accept failure. And I just think that the amount of work that I put in, it's kind of hard for me to say that I'm not the best player in the draft. And I mean that in the most humble way possible, but it's just, the type of competitive spirit that I have.
What is it that you like about his game that you think will translate well and immediately to the NBA?
Well, first off, I like the fact that he's a modern-day NBA player in that he is versatile. I mean, here's a young man that can probably play some five, but, the four position. He's got great versatility in that way. He is an exceptional elite athlete who has great quickness both laterally and running forward. His skill level is really off the charts. He can drive the basketball. He's shown the ability to shoot the three, at least at the college level. And, he's also got the mentality of a leader. And I like that part about him. Coach K said that when he's focused defensively, he can really also be a menace, albeit he's not a true shot blocker. Again, in today's game, he can go out on the floor, guard smaller players.
Well, this is a franchise who was led by the 36-year-old Zach Randolph in scoring last season. Now, we all love Zebo, but when he's your offensive go-to guy with 14.5 points a game, you've got to be looking for a guy who's ready to go to offensively, possession in and out.
Yeah, listen, Marvin Bagley is the type player that a franchise builds around. He could be that good, and he is that talented. You have to remember, this young man reclassified as a high school player, so really this should be his first year in college coming up. He's still young. There's a chance that he may even grow. You look at his body here, he's going to be able to put on weight. But at his skill level, his athleticism, he's the type of player, and they haven't drafted one like this, that truly could be a star in this league.